It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, front-wheel drive, configurable instrument gauges, and auto-shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.